For sale, 1967 Chevelle. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Chevelle, finished in blue. Very beautiful color with black interior, bucket seats and console. Powered by a 454 motor with 4-speed manual transmission and power steering. And I'll always, tell you what I know about it. We'll go around it, point out what I see, and then we'll drive it. And then I will hop in the car for the driving because, I always do that with the 4-speed cars or manual cars. So we will start here in the front. Both front and rear bumpers are new. All the trim pretty much all the way around the car is new. This hood, the underside of the hood especially, gorgeous. But let's show you this here. The alignment of the hood, super nice. A little chip right there. Same thing for this hood there. A little chip right there. These look to be new on both sides for the SS hood. Get a close-up on your chrome here. And your trim. What is that? Pop the hood though. Here's your 454 motor. You see the power steering pump down there. Valve covers look super cool. Love the way they look on there. You see your trim tag in place up there. And yeah, smooth running. It has a dual feed carburetor in it. Looks like aluminum intake as well. So, oh, and then your underhood, I forgot. That is crisp, very good looking. The gentleman that I got it from, he was doing a lot of work to it, bought a lot of new parts, and there was a loss. And I was working with him on a trade on the car, and I ended up just buying it outright from the gentleman. And I put a lot of new parts on the car, or my mechanic and I did it. Pretty much all interior related stuff. The only things I know that the car needs as it sits, and if I see anything else, I'll point it out, of course. There's no turn signals in the front, however the back turn signals work. So they just need to be put in and wired in. I have a bunch of wiring for the car that goes along with it, like a wiring harness. Let me show you this here first, and we'll keep talking. And the same thing goes for the reverse lights. And 9.5 times out of 10, reverse lights don't work anyway. But of course you don't put those on. Why not? So there's those two things. And again, like I said, anything else that I kind of think about or pops in my head as I'm going, I will tell you, of course. These do not look to be replaced, so it's just one thing I noticed. Nice door jamb. Again, I know weather stripping's new. This door panel's new because we put it on. Handles are new. Piece of trim there. I think that's part of the door panel. That's new. There's your VIN tag in place where it should be. Seat covers, both front seats are new. Back seat also new. You got your factory Super Sport console in there with the 4-speed shifter. Carpet's new. Dash pad's new. The stainless up there is new. Wood grain looks new. There is no, someone's calling me. There is no radio in it and no antenna. I have a brand new antenna package for it, so radio of your choice. You got the antenna for it already. Chevelle steering wheel. Again, new carpet, which is always a nice thing. Headliner. You see some wrinkles in the sail panels, but the headliner itself is really nice. And I know seat backs on both sides also really nice, as well as your back seat and your back seat door panels. That's all in excellent condition as well. And trying to zoom in your back deck there. which you can't even see through the glass, but also very nice, as well as your window trim here. Start, resume here. I see a little bit of marks in the paint on top of this lip right there, and there's a couple more right there. I see a little something right there. Your lowers are nice. There's no bubbles down here, which is of course always nice to see. Oh, I need the key for the trunk. Again, like I said, the rear bumper is new. This is all new as well. I know there's a chip right there in the paint. And then I don't know if you see it. There's a couple of dimples right here in the paint. So let me try and figure out which key this is. Oh. Jack, tire iron, this guy, and a manual. Nice detailed trunk pan here, which is good. Sweet. Weather stripping in here, new. Paint under the trunk lid with the jacking instructions. Really nice quality. So let's keep going. I see a couple little marks right in the paint there. Dual exhaust on it, of course, and that sounds really nice. Missed something on the other side, now that I'm thinking about it. Right there, you see a couple little bubbles right there. It popped in my head when I was looking at that side. And was there anything else? No.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, that's good, my bad.
Whatever.
All right. Snow this weekend?
Are we supposed to get more snow? I'll be ready. I'll be ready. Nice door jam again with the new weather stripping. Oh, don't worry about it. I'm working on a video. No, don't worry about it. New door panel, again, new handles, whatnot. Like this. This piping here is new, that's new. Your bucket seats, again, this one pretty much new condition, and they're firm. They're not like you fall into it. But anyway, it'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of the video. If you want to check it out, let us know. '67 Chevelle, finished in blue with black interior. Bucket seats and console. 454 4-speed with power steering. So we are going to fire it up, and we'll hop in it and drive it. Thank you.